video and today, meron akong bagong pellet gun, pocket gun. Pellet gun po. 71 po to. 71 po. At saka guys, ito po yung yung magazine niya po. Ito. Para lang pong double eagle. At saka bukas, meron po akong bagong pellet gun. Bagong pellet gun, guys. Bukas. Pero nasa Lazada po, dadating po bukas. December 29 po. Guys. Ay, guys. At guys, wait for part 2 tomorrow. Okay. See you guys. Bye-bye.